Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a contemporary wooden craft ideas furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Contemporary wooden craft ideas for high profit. In the realm of contemporary woodworking, artisans and crafters have the unique opportunity to blend traditional techniques with modern aesthetics, creating products that not only serve functional purposes but also appeal to the artistic sensibilities of consumers. One of the most lucrative avenues in this field is the creation of bespoke furniture pieces. Custom furniture, such as handcrafted tables, chairs, and shelving units, can command high prices due to their uniqueness and the craftsmanship involved. By utilizing reclaimed wood or sustainable materials, artisans can tap into the eco-conscious market, attracting customers who value sustainability alongside quality. Another profitable idea is the production of home decor items, such as wooden wall art, decorative signs, and sculptures. These items often require less material than furniture, allowing for lower production costs while still achieving high retail prices. Personalized wooden signs, for example, can be customized for weddings, anniversaries, or home decor, making them highly sought after for gift-giving occasions. Unique designs or personalized engravings can further increase the value of these items. Furthermore, wooden toys have seen a resurgence in popularity as parents increasingly seek safe, non-toxic alternatives to plastic. Handcrafted wooden toys that are both educational and visually appealing can capture the interest of parents looking for quality products for their children. Items such as building blocks, puzzles, and pull-along toys can be produced with minimal investment while offering substantial profit margins. Another innovative idea lies in creating home office accessories from wood. With the rise of remote work, items such as wooden laptop stands, desk organizers, and pen holders have become essential for many individuals setting up their home workspaces. By designing products that are both functional and stylish, artisans can cater to a growing market of professionals looking to enhance their home office environments. Moreover, the trend of minimalism has influenced the demand for simple yet elegant wooden products. Crafting minimalist furniture or decor items that embody clean lines and natural finishes can attract consumers who appreciate. Artisan wooden pet products represent another niche with high profit potential. Items such as custom dog beds, feeding stations, and toys crafted from durable woods can appeal to pet owners who prioritize quality and aesthetics in their pets' belongings. The growing trend of pet humanization means that pet owners are willing to spend more on high-quality products that enhance their pets' lives while complementing their home decor. Moreover, incorporating mixed media into wooden crafts can create unique offerings that capture consumer interest. For instance, combining wood with metal or glass elements can result in striking home decor pieces or functional items that stand out in the market. Artistic lighting fixtures made from wood, such as pendant lights or table lamps, can also attract attention due to their ability to blend functionality with artistic expression. To further enhance profitability, artisans should consider leveraging online platforms for sales. Establishing an online presence through e-commerce websites or social media channels allows crafters to reach a wider audience beyond local markets. Engaging storytelling about the crafting process and the materials used can resonate with consumers who value authenticity and craftsmanship. Participating in craft fairs and local markets can provide additional exposure and opportunities for direct sales. Building relationships with local businesses for consignment opportunities or wholesale arrangements can also expand distribution channels and increase revenue streams. Contemporary wooden crafts offer a plethora of opportunities for artisans seeking high-profit ventures. By focusing on unique designs, sustainability, personalization, and leveraging modern marketing strategies, woodworkers can carve out a niche in a competitive marketplace while celebrating the timeless appeal of handcrafted wooden products. This overview provides insights into various contemporary wooden craft ideas that hold potential for profitability. If you would like me to expand on any specific section, or provide additional details on certain craft ideas, feel free to ask. Certainly. Let's delve deeper into more specific wooden craft ideas, exploring additional niches, techniques, and marketing strategies that can enhance profitability in the contemporary woodworking market. Wooden home organization products. With the increasing emphasis on decluttering and organization, wooden home organization products are in high demand. Items like wooden storage boxes, drawer dividers, and closet organizers can be crafted to help consumers maintain a tidy living space. Customization options, such as different sizes or finishes, can cater to various consumer needs and preferences. Furthermore, incorporating unique designs or compartments can enhance functionality and aesthetic appeal, making these products more attractive to buyers. Wooden planters and gardening accessories. As more people take up gardening, whether indoor. Wooden musical instruments. For those with musical inclinations, crafting wooden instruments can be both rewarding and profitable. Items like ukuleles, cajones, box drums, or wooden flutes can be made with attention to sound quality and aesthetics. The niche market for handmade musical instruments often attracts musicians who value craftsmanship and unique sound characteristics. Additionally, offering workshops or classes on instrument making can diversify income streams. Wooden games and puzzles. Creating handcrafted wooden games and puzzles is another avenue with strong profit potential. Classic games like chess sets, checkers, or jigsaw puzzles can be designed with intricate details and high-quality materials. Educational toys that promote problem-solving skills in children, such as stacking blocks or shape sorters, are also highly sought after. These products can appeal to parents looking for engaging and durable toys for their children. Wooden kitchen storage solutions. Wooden kitchen storage solutions, such as spice racks, knife blocks, and utensil holders, are practical items that can enhance kitchen organization while adding a rustic charm. Customizable options that allow consumers to choose sizes or styles can increase appeal. Additionally, incorporating innovative designs that maximize space efficiency can set products apart in a competitive market. Wooden coasters and drinkware. Handcrafted wooden coasters and drinkware items like mugs or tumblers can be popular among consumers looking for unique home goods. By using different wood types and finishes, artisans can create visually striking pieces that serve both functional and decorative purposes. Personalization options, such as monograms or custom designs, can further enhance the attractiveness of these products. Techniques to enhance craftsmanship. To ensure high-quality products that stand out in the market, consider employing advanced woodworking techniques. Joinery techniques. Mastering joinery methods such as dovetail joints or mortise and tenon joints not only enhances the durability of furniture, but also adds an artistic touch to the craftsmanship. Finishing techniques. Experimenting with various finishing techniques, like oiling, staining, or using polyurethane, can significantly affect the final appearance of the product. A well-finished piece can command higher prices. Laser engraving. Incorporating laser engraving technology allows for intricate designs and personalization options that can elevate the perceived value of wooden crafts. Marketing strategies for success. To maximize profitability, effective marketing strategies are essential. Partnering with influencers in the home decor or DIY niches can expand your reach to new audiences. Influencers can showcase your products in their content, driving interest and potential sales. Seasonal promotions. Planning seasonal promotions around holidays or special occasions can boost sales. Laser engraving. Incorporating laser engraving technology allows for intricate designs and personalization options that can elevate the perceived value of wooden crafts. Marketing strategies for success. To maximize profitability, effective marketing strategies are essential. Partnering with influencers in the home decor or DIY niches can expand your reach to new audiences. Influencers can showcase your products in their content, driving interest and potential sales. Seasonal promotions. Planning seasonal promotions around holidays or special occasions can boost sales. For example, offering personalized gifts during the holiday season or themed decor items for events like weddings can attract buyers looking for unique gifts. Building an email list. Creating an email list allows you to communicate directly with customers about new products, promotions, and woodworking tips. Regular newsletters can keep your audience engaged and encourage repeat purchases. Exploring eco-friendly practices. Emphasizing sustainability in your woodworking practices can resonate with environmentally conscious consumers. Sourcing reclaimed wood. Using reclaimed wood not only reduces waste but also adds character to your products. Many consumers are willing to pay a premium for sustainably sourced items. Eco-friendly finishes. Opting for non-toxic finishes and adhesives aligns with eco-friendly values, appealing to a growing market of conscientious buyers. Promoting upcycling projects. Sharing upcycling projects, transforming old furniture or materials into new creations, can inspire customers and promote sustainable practices within the community. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.